In front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit Continue, select Skip, tap on Accept, and tap on this red button at the bottom to start recording. But first, after tapping on it, hit Continue, choose while using the app, and whatever you want to in notifications pop up. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one when recording is on. Type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK. If you want to discard it right away, pause it, hit discard also on the left, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, select Save on the right. Now hit Save at the top right corner. And to play your recording, click on it. To manage it, you need to use all of those options at the bottom and those three dots at the top right corner. You can also hold it here and use all of those at the top. For example, you can click on this icon between a heart and a bin to rename it. And click on those three dots again to access. Misclick. To access Select All, and this way delete multiple recordings at once. To do that, tap on bin icon next to three dots and hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!